Right, so we're going to have a look at some other modules now. We're going to use one called Callout, and this is like a picture on top of some text, and you'll see these quite commonly in modern websites. So I'm on the My Sites page, so I'm just going to display a small selection of websites that were built using this page builder. So we launched the page builder, and first we want to insert our rows and columns into the page. I'm going to use a 3-column row. So just drag and drop that into there. And now we're going to go to our modules, and we're going to put the modules into the columns. And this one is called a call out. So it's down there in actions. So just click on it, drag it, drop it in. And now the dialog box. So we're going to call the first one. I'm going to start with my sister's site. This is Enco London. Enco London, there you go. What do you got in there? And that heading is too big. I want to make it a bit smaller. It's H3. I want to make that a H5. It's going to make it a bit smaller. There you go, because we've got 3 of them to fit across there. And some of these websites, they might have longer names, so it gives us a bit of space if we need it. And a little bit of description there. There you go, Gina. I'm sure you're going to be happy with that. We're going to put that in the center and style the actual call out itself, the alignment. Put everything in the middle. There you go. It just looks better. For this layout anyway. And an image, so we need an image. I've just done some screenshots of all these websites, so I'm going to go to my files, and there you go. I've got a folder for my sites, and so the first one is going to go up there. Drag and drop that in there, and that's the one there. Now we need to put stuff in here. I'm just going to do it on this one module, but we'll cover all this again later on. But in London, this is for for search engine purposes. We need to do more stuff here, but for now I'm just running through it quickly just so you can get the page built. So there you go. There's a little screenshot of her website and a little description of it, and now we can put a link. I've got the page open there already, so we're just going to copy that, and I'm going to scroll back over to here and paste that in there. And yeah, I want this to open in a new window actually, because my computer's freezing up a little bit. I want it to open in a new window because so that you can close it and get back to this page rather than have to keep going backwards and forwards. So I'm going to save that, and there you go, job done. So when people click on that now, and also you'll get a free link, so that's nice. Let's do that again with another one. So we get a module and call out. Drag it, drop it in there, and this one is, whose website should we do now? We'll do John's website, Bed No Breakfast. So Bed No Breakfast. Yeah, computer's slowing down a bit. That's a H5, remember, because we want to make it a bit smaller, and it's a bed and breakfast without the breakfast, located in Barnet. Oh, so there you go. If you're ever travelling through Barnet, you've got a good place to stay without some nasty breakfast with bullets for baked beans, because that's what John would be cooking for you if he was cooking. So I'm going to save that. No, I didn't need to save that. I haven't finished yet. So again, we style it, and we're going to put it in the middle, everything, and we're going to find his image. So select photo. Yeah, open my photos folder. There's the screenshot of John's Bed No Breakfast website, and we're going to select that photo. And lastly, we need to create the link. So I'm going to go and find his website now, bednobreakfast.co.uk. There he is. So we're going to copy that, and that will be our link again. I want that to open in a new window, and save. So that's his website there. And okay, last one. Well, it's not the last one. We're going to put some more, but on this row anyway. So another call out. Drop that in there. And which one should we do? We'll do Greta's, I think. So this is Pure Beauty and Tanning. So Pure Beauty and Tanning. And again, I think it's too big. Now you see why I make this a little bit smaller now, because the it's quite a long name there, so we want to give ourselves room. So so we're going to call this Walsall. Is it a double L? I can't. Let's have a look. Pure. This is going to give us the link as well that we need. It is Walsall. It's in Walsall. I know it's in Walsall. How do you spell Walsall? Is it 2 L's at the end? I don't know. There you go. You'll recognise that contact page. Yes, there's 2 L's at the end of Walsall. So Walsall's Finest Beauty and Tanning Salon. And we're going to put that in the middle and save that. I'm clicking save too fast. I haven't finished editing it. And so yeah, style it again and put that in the middle. So put everything in the middle. We're going to get an image. We'll grab the screenshot from Greta's website. There you go. Select photo, of course. Drag and drop that in there. Select photo. Now the link, which we've got there already, so we're going to copy that, paste that in there, make sure it opens in a new window, and save. And now I want to do all of this again on another row. So what I'm going to do now, rather than have to format all of this and put everything in the middle and do all of that again, what I can do again is just duplicate this row. So I'll duplicate this row, and although I've got exactly the same row underneath, all I've got to do now is just click on this photograph, or click on the module rather, just click anywhere in that box. And so now I can go Playground Mafia. This is my band, or one of my bands. Cool Rock Roll Band. And then just change the image for a Cool Rock and Roll Band image. So select photo. Here's my Playground Mafia homepage. Screenshot. Chuck that in there. And the link is, I'm just going to type this in here, www.playgroundmafia.band. And that'll do. And so I can change these, the rest of them, I can change them all in the same way. So there you go, it's a nice neat looking page, and everybody gets a free link.